I'm going to show you Manaka Royalty, how to do the crosswords and all these different puzzle books. But what if you could make a rhyming storybook as well? I did some training from Mike Pass, who's now I've been testing this Manaka Royalty out, and it's amazing. So, so basically, these are rhyming storybooks done with AI, obviously. And I've done some training myself, which I'm giving out for free when you get Manaka royalty from me. So I'm just going to share my screen. For instance, we've got a crossword puzzle generator. You can do different sizes of the books. You can do 6 by 9, 8 by 10, that's A5. Big ones, little ones. You can do 1 page, you can do bulk, but the best ones are the story ones, which I've already made one to show you in a minute. So you can do crosswords, you can do mazes, right? You can do square, hexagonal, circular, triangular, weave, hand drawn, arrows. Look at this one, arrows, maths. But with the maths, you can add, subtract, multiply, and divide. This is just, but get this, you can write a story as well. If you get I think it's called Kai, you can add a story to these. Okay, here you go. I've pressed story. Come up with an idea. A young explorer discovers a secret map hidden inside a hollow tree that leads to a land of friendly dinosaurs. So it's come up with a little boy called Leo, loved to explore the woods behind his house looking for hidden treasures. The forest was full of twisting vines, and then so you can colour in these as well. Look, these are brilliant. Inside the tree, the wood carved with ancient swirling patterns. And then there's a map, and it's just the imagination of the children. They're going to just get the colours going. For instance, the crystals reflected light in the beautiful sharp shapes. Now, I've published two of these already. Well, one's in review actually. I finished it. I finished uploading it today. They're so much fun to make, guys. They are just so much fun. You get consistent characters with a story as well. And how to download them. This is so easy. You go export or single PDF, but you can also put a blank one in with the title, add the text to the title. You can add a copyright and you can add instructions for your Sudokus and stuff. So all you have to do, guys, is just read through the story. And if you don't like the picture, for example, you can change the picture. So, for instance, if you didn't like that one, you click on that. Leo's walking through a cave. You can regenerate it or change the prompt. It's so easy, guys. How many can you make in one day? This is you can make hundreds in a month now. So I'm going to stop talking. Click the link below if you want the free gift of how to make a rhyming storybook, and I'd love to see you in like group, Facebook group. Let's get those books made quickly.